Well, don't die. All right, we're live.
Okay, cool. So what I was gonna say was it says to download that Excel thing, and then from there we find the answers to the stuff like the median and the mean and the standard deviation.
Oh, okay.
So you guys are gonna have to help me because this is when I started to really struggle.
I looked ahead into the quiz, so I'm already like on question 13. So let's go to the homework and then we can jump into the.
Okay, you're talking about looking at the preparation, right?
Yeah, let's do the whole let's ask questions or whatever, and then we can jump into the quiz.
Okay.
All right. Anybody have any questions on 6?
Guys, honestly, the only thing I have questions on is standard deviation. That's really hard for me to understand.
Okay.
But I don't know how to ask you what my question is. Really, it's just like, what the heck is it and how do I find it?
Yeah, so a part of the preparation was like explain it to your roommate, right? And so in an explanation to my roommate, I realized that I'm actually not entirely confident about what it is per se. I just know that it's like it's the square root of it's the square root of the simple variation. Is that the right term?
Yeah.
Sample variation, sample variance, something like that.
Standard. I know, huh?
Yeah, isn't incredibly helpful, but it's just like how things are different, how far apart they are.
So how do you find it?
With an Excel spreadsheet.
Oh gosh, so there's not like a formula I can use. I just have to.
There is a formula, actually. There is, but it's a lot easier to use the Excel spreadsheet.
So with the Excel thing, I just type in standard deviation and it'll calculate it for me?
Yep, absolutely. So there's in Excel, on like the top right side, there's a big sigma, and it says auto sum next to it. But if you hit like the down arrow and then go to more functions, there's one called like
You're cutting out. Wait, you're cutting out. I can't hear you.
There's a function called STDEV for standard deviation.
We're gonna have the same problem as last time because I see your mouth.
You sound like a robot on acid right now.
Spence, if you can hear me, just know that I'm preparing to FaceTime you right now.
Will do.
Okay, let's see. I think it's the 5. Let me mute this really quick.
That goes forever and ever.
Okay, is that better?
I don't know where to hold you to not make that sound.
Put you.
That's so loud.
If you just push the no feedback button, that'd be great.
I tried muting mine. Let's see. That's a problem. How about okay? Nope. That's worse.
Why is this deviation so big? Because they're big numbers. This is the homework, right? Wrong side, wrong page. This is the quiz. This is stuff from the homework.
Oh, this is in the quiz.
No. I did that stuff already on the homework.
Group meeting quiz. On site, wrong picture.
Okay, hang on. Let me pull this up. I think I already did all this.
Hey, can you guys hear either of us?
We can hear you
Yes.
now.
Okay, it's working now. So let's. No, there it goes. You can't talk, Mackenzie. All right, Mackenzie, you just have to be silent. And if you have like a dire question,
Maybe it's not.
then
Maybe
type
it's
it
the
in the
homework
chat.
quiz. Maybe we did the group quiz thing as a homework.
I think that's how it'll work out.
Oh my gosh, you know what it is? Is the homework or the homework quiz is from the right column, so the group quiz is all the left column stuff. Okay. Means I should already have that like in my download or something. What's it called? Quantitative descriptive statistics. That's not it. Wrong site, wrong patient.
Okay. So let's jump into question 7. Any questions?
Question 7?
Did we get the standard deviation from Mackenzie figured out?
Sorry, what was that?
Does Mackenzie understand standard deviation?
Oh, Mackenzie, do you want them to explain the standard deviation?
So bad. Okay, I'm gonna hang this up and
Okay.
I'm gonna try to go back on this Google Hangout.
Okay.
Okay, guys, can you hear me?
Perfectly.
Okay, so for now, I can hear you. If it starts to screw up, I'm just going to try that FaceTime again. Okay, back to standard deviation. Square root of simple variation. And you said I go to the spreadsheet,
Mm-hmm.
and then what?
And then at the top right-hand side, if you're on the home tab, there's this little sigma with an arrow, which the sigma is like the Greek backwards 3, or the Greek E, I guess. We call it an E.
Let me look for it. Okay, on the
Mm-hmm.
I see it. There's a sigma.
And there's a drop-down arrow right next to it.
Uh-huh.
And at the bottom of that says more functions. And in more functions, you'll see in like the select a function scroll view, one says STDEV, standing for standard deviation. And so if you highlight a bunch of cells and then select the standard deviation function, it will calculate the standard deviation.
Okay, the only problem is I have to use Google Sheets because I have a Chromebook.
Okay.
So when I click on more functions, it just takes me to the page. And that's not select. Does that make sense?
The last part of what you said cut out a
So
little bit.
maybe if I try to type it in.
Google Sheets, if you type
What did you say the abbreviation was?
STDEV.
Taylor?
STD.
Can't hear you at all.
You guys just type in the chat. You guys, you can get to her.
I can't hear you
Blue
either,
chat
Spence. Okay,
button.
give me 1 second.
Chat button?
Yeah, the top left.
Oh, look at this. Guys, can you hear either of us? Let me go and get my headphones. Such as this.
STDVB. Okay, I have that. I have that on there. Okay, cool.
I can hear you.
You can hear me?
Yeah.
But I just can't hear you.
Can you not hear me right now?
I can kind of read your lips though a little bit. I can't get anything from you, Spence. I don't see your face.
We're still coming. Still
Again,
broken.
your face is just popping up right now. Okay, moving on. If you guys have something that you want to say to me, just type it, and then instead of me typing back, I'll just speak, and then you can type to me.
Okay.
Bueno? Good? Deal. Got it. Okay. Okay. Is there anything else we need to go over on the homework? Honestly, I think I just need to practice this, and then maybe eventually I'll understand it.
That sounds like a solid plan.
Sounds good to you? Is that what you said?
Oh, you know what? It's
Deal. All right. Shall we jump into this quiz then?
Okay.
yeah, we can jump into the quiz.
All right.
I'm ready.
Okay.
Did you get any preparation? True. Information. Make sure you click the link to download that spreadsheet. So Mackenzie, I hope it works for you. All right, so question 3. Find the mean amount hospitals had to pay in wrong site lawsuits. So the paragraph question says, on rare occasions, a medical procedure is performed on the wrong body part for a patient's body or on the wrong patient. That's terrifying. Site and wrong patient mistakes. Such errors occur hundreds of times a year across the United States. The medical community is trying to eliminate these errors and reducing their frequency. In a small percentage of cases, the patient files a lawsuit against the hospital, and there's numbers for that. Hospitals have been required to pay in the wrong site and wrong patient lawsuits. Some of the values equal 0, indicating the hospital won the legal battle. Does it make sense?
Yes.
Yeah. Cool. So we have to find the mean of all that information on that Excel sheet. Do you guys have that pulled up? Yeah, cool. So if you guys have that pulled up and then that one other one we downloaded from the homework, to find the mean and everything. Do you guys have that pulled up too?
One?
Here, I will, pretty sure I can show you guys my screen.
You can. It's over at like the left.
Right? And share. Share. So this one right here, you guys have this one pulled up?
Keep talking, Spencer.
I'll select Spencer.
This Excel sheet right here, do you guys have this pulled up?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't have that specific one, no. Do we need
Yeah,
to?
so it took me like 30 minutes to find it, but if you just go to the
So I have that Excel sheet. I just don't have it pulled up.
Gotcha. Okay. So we just plug those guys in, those numbers over here on the left side, and it gives us our mean and everything. And I got
Who is that?
80,041, rounding it to the nearest whole dollar.
Shut up.
What?
She's talking to someone else.
So I got 8,041, rounding to the nearest whole dollar. Do you guys want to do it too, or are you guys just
my god.
trusting me?
I also
Okay.
got 800,041.
80,041.
80041.
I hear
Okay.
you saying answer for number 1.
This is difficult. She can't hear us.
Yeah, it makes it hard. I don't know why she can't hear us.
80041. That's what I have for number
Yeah,
1.
this is
Is that
very
right?
Thing. No, that's the right thing.
Yeah.
Oh, that is right. Okay. Wait. Let me type that in.
Question
Hold on, I
4.
Are we
68.
moving on? That's question 4.
Yes.
Go up to number 2.
Question 4. Hey Ted, did you guys get 68,552?
Hello?
That's what I
Can
got.
anybody hear me?
I just ordered it.
Okay.
I sorted it out.
Oh, and then
And then went to cancel it.
Gonna stop screen sharing. However, I do that. Okay. So question 5. Find the standard deviation amount
Guys,
of
I
paid
can't
wrong site
hear you,
lawsuit.
and I'm sure you're talking about number
Oh.
2, and I'm getting very frustrated. I don't know what I'm supposed to do.
68.
Question 4. Oh, I forgot we started on question 3. Question 4 is question 2. Okay, yeah, I'm sorry. I'm so dumb.
No, it's alright. It's frustrating when computers don't work. So.
And then the next question would be question 5 because we started on question 3. Okay,
correct.
I'm caught
You
up.
guys see
Okay,
the
you said you
question?
got 68554. Let me check mine.
68554.
68554. Got it.
Oh, sorry. No.
Okay.
No.
Moving on. Question 5.
68552.
552. I got 554. No. What am I doing wrong? Let me look at it.
There's 441 data type or data entries.
Where's my paper?
411. And so you divide that by 2.
552.
5.5, right?
Uh-huh.
5.5.
Kids are confusing me and then I'm doubting myself. Okay. Got it.
Okay.
Next one.
Next one. Question 6.
Yeah.
So we're at.
Oh, wait.
Or no,
question 5.
Sorry. Question 5. I got 71,404.
Come on, Mackenzie.
Oh. Cool. You guys got it. Right. Question. What is the mean survival time? Is
Wrong sites.
that what you guys got? Sorry, I couldn't hear that. Did you guys say it was 7?
I got 7.
Cool.
Thanks for patience.
Yep. Good to go. Do I have headphones? Not for my computer.
Questions.
Question. Oh, that was question 6. My bad.
On.
Question 7. I got 4.
Yeah.
Did you guys get 4?
Looks like a 4 to me.
Computer. Can you check in your top drawer over there?
Yes.
Because she has an iPhone, probably. She didn't have a thing,
That's fine.
but she doesn't have for her computer, just her phone, probably.
I could call her.
Question 7.
Through
and 6 is 7. Sorry.
On question 8, I got 12.
Sorry, guys, I'm a little behind on that one because I'm looking for headphones. You can keep going, though. I'm gonna steal some from that guy.
I think I lost you, Taylor. Did
What was
you
that?
guys get 12?
So the mean was 7. So 19 minus 7 would be 12. Yeah.
Plug it in and see.
8. Did you guys get 12?
What up?
Yes.
And question number
What? Oh, that's my charger. Ow. Guys, are you talking?
Can you hear us?
Oh,
I can't hear anything.
Oh, well,
It's ridiculous. That's not the problem. Because you hear it, I can hear it at first, but the connection is so bad it just cuts out.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know you hear me, but I can't hear you. I can't hear anything you're saying. And then I see you guys smile when I say something funny. And now you're laughing, see? But I don't hear any noise. This is so frustrating. Okay. Can I hang this up and FaceTime Spence so I can at least hear you guys talking even though I can't see you?
that's a good idea.
Does that sound like a logical thing to do? I need you to type a response because, okay, yes, sure, got it. Okay, I'm going to go now. Bye.
No, that was good.
I'm trying to talk.
Yeah, it's working now. We're good. Do you want me to put your face over this face like this so you can see them?
7 minus 1. 1 minus 7 squared would be 36. Yeah.
Where is he on this quiz?
Yes. Question 8 we agreed is that was so you take the mean, which is 7, right? You add all those up, divide it by 4. So the mean is 7, you take 19 minus 7, and then you get from the mean.
That's what the x with the bar over it means.
Means mean. That's good to know. I didn't know that.
Yeah.
The mean and divided by 4.
No, so all these numbers here, the 5, 19, 1, and 3, divide it by 4. That's how many are there. And that gets you the mean, right? So that's going to be 7.
Yeah, so add them up.
And that's 7. And then what you have to do is you have to take your x value, which is 19, right, in the x column, and minus it by the mean, which is 7. So 19 minus 7 is 12.
Okay.
So that's how we got that. And then question 9, did we agree was 36?
Yep.
Okay. And so how we got that one, again, the same idea, right? So asking us to find the square deviation 1. So we have to take 1, minus it by 7, and then square it. 6 times negative 6 is a positive 32. 6, my bad.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Question 10 of the survival times. Nearest 10th.
So I did it in Excel and I got 8.2.
I got 8.2 as well.
The only way I know how to do it is, I mean, like, there's that formula, but Excel's way easier.
Yeah, that was way easier.
So for standard deviation, I could just type in the same numbers and then do the standard deviation of those new numbers, and then it'll find it?
Yep. And you just do it by doing that formula in the spreadsheet, the Google spreadsheet.
This one.
And question 10, we did that one. Question 11 too sure about. What
So
is the first? Yeah.
the 5-number summary is the minimum, the first quartile. I don't know how you pronounce that, but I'm saying quartile. He tells me quartile, median, third quartile, and maximum are the 5-number summary.
5. Okay. So is it 0 then for question 11?
So is the first one the minimum?
Well, that's what I understood. That's why I'm confused.
Okay, yeah. So why do we say 0?
Gosh, I got 8.2 for the one before that.
We also got 8.2 for the one before that.
That's good. I'm just saying that means I did it right this time.
I'm proud of you.
So, what are you guys saying is your answer for number 11?
I think 0. So the first time I read it, I thought that we were using the survivor statistics.
No, it's gonna be
we're going back, so 0.
The wrong patient lawsuits. 0. Number that's gonna be the first quartile, right?
Yes.
Wait, so how do you find these?
The first quartile is the like 25%.
Google Sheets will do that one too.
What did he just say?
Can you guys say it one more time?
Google or Excel will calculate the quartiles.
I can't hear what he's saying.
Quartile.
Wi-Fi slow right now. So what they're saying, I'll explain it. So the 5-number summary is a summary of the data split up into 5 parts. So the first part is your minimum, and then the second part is your first quartile, which is confusing. Just make sure you memorize that. So first one's minimum, second one's first quartile, the third one's the median, the fourth one's the third quartile, and the fifth is the maximum. So those are the 5 numbers summary.
You said the fourth is the second quartile?
The fourth is the third quartile.
Okay.
And then your maximum is your fifth.
You use the spreadsheet to find those?
Yeah, to be honest, I use the spreadsheet. I don't know how to find I'm in the homework, I'm sure explain how to find the quartiles, but I'm cheating with this spreadsheet. So
And when you do it on the spreadsheet, what do you type in to find it?
Let me see if there's a formula here. Oh yeah, it's just saying
I can't. She won't see it if I post another thing.
it's just saying quartile is the formula. QUARTILE.
Perfect.
And then median's median.
Okay, got it.
Okay.
So we're on number 12. Ow.
So we are on number 12, yeah. So for number 12, did you guys get 3,900?
Yes.
Okay.
And then the median? No, the fourth number in the fifth. We skipped the third, so we're going straight to the third quartile.
Yeah, third quartile. Which is weird because it says round to the nearest cent. Oh, they all say that. Okay, but this one's just weird. So I got 50,145 and 50 cents. Sorry, what was that? I couldn't hear you.
Not where.
Hold on a second.
Okay, I have a question. I'm sorry.
Mm-hmm.
So you type in quartile, that's like the code or whatever that you put in there.
Yeah, here.
If I want to find like a specific quartile, how do I do that?
I don't know if you can see that. It says quartile. You know?
I know. So like I can see that when I type it in, it shows up as quartile. But if I need to find the third quartile, does that make sense?
Yeah, it does. Hold on. Let me type something. Text you this.
Spencer, what was the answer that you got?
I got 50,145 and 50 cents.
We're still not getting that.
All right, let's move on, and I can submit it first and see if that's right.
I'm gonna send you what we got. Are you using the sheet that was?
Yeah.
Okay, we're not doing that, so maybe we should.
What?
No, there's another one.
This is the one that's in the
I'm telling you, there's.
telling you.
Look, you're not. So we have this thing right here, the quantitative descriptive statistics. That is like post all your stuff here, and then it will give you the stuff. So if we take, if we go, it's over here. Oh, what is that?
But if I get the signatures on everything else, I should get this.
You're right. A lot of stuff. Does that look right? No.
All right, Mackenzie, I'm sending you. Oops, that's on my laundry. I'm sending you the spreadsheet.
My email?
Yeah, to your email. So you should get that.
Does that look better? What was the mean?
My Gmail email or my school
I
email?
think your Gmail email.
Oh, we did the mean very first. Question 3. Oh.
I haven't gotten it yet, but we can keep going.
Okay. We're trying to figure out question 13 because we've got 2 different answers.
For wrong patient. So let me go.
Right when you put in my email?
Grab
I just sent it to the link that I got the
these.
I think to that email. Oh, and
Paste
I
this
guess
in.
your email's not in here. I sent it to the. Oh no, I sent it to your BYUI one.
Okay. Yeah, that's fine. I can pull that one up. I just was like,
Okay.
oh my gosh, what did I do?
Where down does this go?
So if I haven't gotten it on there either. That's okay. I'll keep looking. It'll load eventually.
Why is that stuff still there? Okay, where's the okay. I'm gonna go back and
Stop popping up. Can you send it to my Gmail instead?
Yeah.
Do you want me to tell you what it is?
You share it to the group.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can see it right here.
Okay.
really.
If I have a question,
Okay, we got it.
Cool.
Yeah, there's two different quartile functions in Excel,
Uh-huh.
and they don't get the same answers.
Oh, well, that's strange. So what answer did you get?
50,145 and 50 cents.
Cool. Cool. All right, did you hear that, Mackenzie?
Yeah.
Okay.
50,145 and 50
50
cents.
cents, yep. Okay, so question 14 is referring to what are they called? Box and whiskers? No.
Box and whiskers.
Yeah, box and whiskers, I think.
I love these.
So,
I'm gonna say like
Red
190.
yeah, that's what I said too. I just guessed that.
Let's just give an estimate.
Yeah.
Like a good estimate.
Question 15 is longest observed time. I'm guessing that's the max, right? So there's the
Yeah.
highest.
So like 710.
Yeah, that's what I guessed.
Yeah.
And then based on the plots, what is the value of the mean? That's the middle line, right? In the
Yeah.
So like 105-ish.
yeah, 105.
Boom. That's a thing.
That is a thing. That was a great guess.
What?
All right, I'll submit
Okay,
it
Spencer's
first.
gonna submit first.
I'll bite the bullet.
Yeah, you guys left me high and dry last week, so.
2-2. We're looking good so far. Oh, we missed the last one. How's that possible?
I don't even know.
Question 16 is not 105 seconds.
That's because the middle of a box and whisker plot is the median, not the mean.
Oh gosh, dang it.
Oh, thanks for chipping in now, David.
This,
Hey, we get 2 chances. Leave me alone.
I'm gonna say it can't be determined.
Yeah, it probably can't be determined.
Can't be
Gotcha.
determined.
Yeah, try that one.
I'm submitting right now.
I'll be honest, I don't want to type in all the answers again, so I'm okay with a 95%.
That's the only one that we missed. All right, here we go. Go to submit quiz.
$100. Woo!
Very good.
I also got 100. Woo us.
Sweet deal. All right,
See you Tuesday.
we good?
Yeah,
I
we're
think
good.
we're good.
I'll let you know if I freaking figure this out. Still try to send me that thing though if you can. So that I
Yes.
can
Let me.
look at it.
Yeah, I should click send. Tell me
Okay.
if you get this.
Okay. Still no.
Nothing really.
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe my computer's freaking broken. I wouldn't be surprised.
Okay.
Oh, I got it.
You got it. Cool.
Okay.
All right.
Thank
Well, are we good, Taylor and Dave?
We are good.
Yeah.
All right. Thanks, guys.
Bye,
All
guys.
right. See you later.
See you next year.